We thought it was time to upgrade the kitchen and other areas in the house.
I had old painted cabinets, had old carpet, I had the little skinny borders.
Marketing on Facebook caught my attention, so Affordable Interiors has some nice before and afters that we were able to see, and also kind of drew me in with a good price point and got us into the door.
I received the bid and the scope of work. I knew I wasn't going to get a better deal. The guys were great. They were very respectful. They never left a mess when they were done at the end of the day. I can't say enough good things about the people that I dealt with when they were here in the home and the work that they did, just knowing they wouldn't do something they wouldn't do to their own house.
It just have made my place into a new place. Totally new, and I'm quite pleased with it.
And they did that perfectly. I mean, it was amazing.
I just really pleased with the way it turned out.